another installment of Innovation Conversations. My name is Persephanie Quimby and I'm the Director of Business Development here at Architecting Innovation. Today I have the privilege of having Mr. David Hooker, who is the Java and Open Source Practice Manager here at AI. Hello, David.
Hello.
So you recently wrote a blog for us. It's called Getting Up to Speed in Data Science and Machine Learning. Tell me a little bit about it. Give me a high-level overview of data science and machine learning.
That's a big topic. So data science, I think, is basically, the study of being able to gather and look at data and kind of put it into a usable format and analyze it and see how good it is. And then applying it to various algorithms. So like machine learning is about training algorithms in order to have them be able to make predictions on the data.
Mm-hmm. And so, I know this is going to be a little bit off of topic of what we had originally talking about, but is this, the evolution of this, is this coming from so much data?
Well, that's kind of big data. So data science isn't so much about big data, although they work together. Data science really is about, analyzing the data, making use out of it. It's called science. It's a lot of math. So there's statistical analysis and there's trying to understand the data, like I said, to see patterns and then be able, based on those patterns, to predict potential future data.
Interesting.
Mm-hmm.
So you recently took a class here locally at the Divergence Academy, put on by Shravan, and I always butcher his name, Ankaraju. It was a 6-week intensive course where you did a lot of hands-on, in-depth learning and gaining experience with machine learning. Tell us a little bit about the course. So
Divergence Academy is local, and so he's pretty much of an expert in data science and machine learning. So it was 60 hours long, so it was 6 weeks. We were there 10 hours each weekend for the whole time.
Wow.
We had homework assignments, we had class projects, we had a lot of hands-on work. So it wasn't just lecture, there was actual programming work, and we would actually have data, go find data, and actually build the models and learn all about the various statistical analysis techniques to do the machine learning.
And then to close out the course, you had a project that you
Right, so we all each had a project, and mine was had to do with music. So I was trying to look at various aspects of music and songs to try to predict the genre. And so the first thing I was looking at was lyrics, and so I built a model that would try to, based on lyrics, predict what the genre of the song was. I pulled a whole lot of data off the internet that had that kind of information, pulled it together using the techniques that we learned, and built a particular type of model. And that's about as far as I got. Ran out of time, but it gleefully mispredicted many things.
Did it?
Yeah. So, but a lot of things that we learned in the class, we learned more than we could apply, probably pretty much across the board. For instance, once you get your predictive model in place, you got to evaluate it and tune it and see how well it can predict, and like, is it right 80% of the time or 90% of the time? So I didn't get that far, but obviously mine was not right very often. So I didn't get to the point of finishing it, but it was fun, a lot of learning.
Did you get to pick your own topic?
Yep.
Why did you choose that one?
I like music, I guess.
So you're taking this course kind of on behalf of AI. What does it mean for AI?
So for us, it gives us a really good understanding, it's a very deep understanding of what machine learning is about. And there's a lot of projects and lots of customers out there that definitely could use this kind of technology, use these kind of techniques to help their businesses. So for instance, one of our clients, I know they've got they're a manufacturing company, and they have various supply chain issues and job routing issues. So in order to we could apply it to help them predict where to send a job to which manufacturing facility, for instance, based on inventory levels and order levels and stuff like that. So we could do some predictive analytics there to figure that kind of thing out. So that's just one example of something we could do.
Cool. Well, as always, I enjoyed talking with you. Thank you, sir, for joining us today. You can look for David's blog on our website, www.theaiteam.com. We look forward to seeing you back here soon. Thank you.